In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate projects in Goodday. Duplicating a project is really helpful when you already have a setup that works well and you want to reuse it, instead of building everything from scratch. This might include task structures, workflows, or templates your team uses regularly. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to quickly create new projects based on an existing one. First, open your web browser and go to the Goodday workspace where your project is located. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has access to the project you want to duplicate. If you manage multiple workspaces or organizations, double check that you're in the correct one so you don't accidentally copy the wrong project. Once you're in Goodday, navigate to the specific project that you want to duplicate. You can do this by using the left-hand navigation panel, your recent projects, or the search bar, depending on how your workspace is set up. When the project opens, you should see its main overview, including tasks, views, and other settings that have already been configured. Next, look for the highlighted area or icon associated with project options. This is usually located near the project name or in the upper part of the screen. It might appear as a small menu icon, a drop-down arrow, or a settings button. Go ahead and click on that highlighted control to open the project options menu. After clicking, a list of actions related to the project will appear. In that list, find the option labeled Duplicate. This is the feature that allows you to create a copy of your current project. Click on Duplicate. At this point, Goodday may prompt you to confirm some details, such as the new project name or where the duplicated project should be placed in your workspace. Take a moment to adjust these settings to fit your needs. You might want to rename the project to reflect a new client, new sprint, or a new phase of work. When everything looks good, confirm the duplication. Goodday will then create a new project based on the original one, carrying over the structure and settings that are allowed to be copied. Once it appears, open the duplicated project and quickly review it to ensure everything looks correct. From here, you can customize tasks, dates, and assignments as needed without affecting the original project. And that's all you need to do to duplicate a project in Goodday.